Today we are passing this county assembly, the chairman of the service board, Mr. Mausa, and also the secretary of the board. We congratulate them and also want to congratulate the governor for appointing competent people. But we are also asking him to give them space to operate. Because if you are appointed and you are not given space, you cannot be known to be competent. So we want you, because they have security of tenure, to give them space for them to operate. And from the what we have, we need to have staff audit to discover how many staff we have, particularly in the technical areas, agriculture, medical, and teaching. Those are the areas we need to recruit people to support our people. And we also want to have the people who can spur the economy of Kisii County to the grassroots level, because we have been doing constructions for a long time now. We need to start empowering the public in terms of giving them benefits, giving them resources which can be able to bring money to their pockets. So that's what we are aspiring, and we hope that we'll engage the governor in the near future, but we are also going to engage, as the leaders who are elected by the people, we are going to engage these people on a constant basis so that they are able to give us a report on a quarterly basis on the recruitment, on the training, and also on the discipline of all the staff within. But more importantly, what's notable, and that's one thing I want to applaud the governor for recruiting the secretary from within. We have a lot of competent staff, young people who are very well trained, who can be given these jobs whenever they are advertised. It's not always good to pick people from outside to come and replace when you have people from within. Thank you.
Wafanyakazi baitu borra mikabari sicho bisi mbalimbali amangana yabo tutageta mangana issues kiro orokia disciplinary tiere batigwe bakore mirimo igo ina aroto gukwan andi nditaitenga kero mugaba nambia esengencho yogo toretera abantu abana ko babe office elindo gukonya igasi ya Kisii County government again.